name is Piyush and welcome to Kunal Academy. Today we are going to discuss a topic called factor influencing price setting. Before going to the topic, let's understand what's the meaning of price. Price is any amount which we pay in a market to purchase goods and services which company offers. Now let's understand what's the meaning of price strategy, which is our main topic. So first, understand what's the meaning of price strategy. Price strategy is the method which company use while pricing their product. Pricing strategy are those methods which are used by all companies, let it be small, medium or the large. These are the strategies which were used by all companies. Now, few factors which influence price determinants. Price determinants or the influencing price determinant doesn't mean that the price with these factors the price of commodity or the product or services will increase only. It also means these are the factors with the help of which the price of the product and services can increase and decrease. It doesn't mean that the price of the factor will increase only. So now we'll understand what are the few factors which influence the price determinants. First factor is cost, competition, demand, distribution, price objective, and the government rules and regulations. These are the few factors which influence price determinants. So friends, now we'll discuss about various price strategy, or we can say now we'll discuss about the main topic which is called various pricing strategy accepted by company to price their product and services. Accepting pricing strategy is totally dependent upon the type of product and services, or we can say that it's totally dependent upon price of product and services. The price of product and services decide what kind of pricing strategy government is going to follow. So friends, now we are coming to the main topic, which is various pricing strategies accepted by company to price their product and services. Accepting pricing strategy is totally dependent upon the type of product, or we can say the price of the product which company is going to offer in a market to their customer. So friends, now I'll tell about various type of pricing strategies accepted by company while pricing their product and services. In this, we have 5 types of pricing strategies which were taken by or adopted by company while pricing their product. In this, first strategy is penetrating pricing. Second strategy is price skimming. Third is discount pricing. Fourth is PLC pricing, which is also called product life cycle pricing. And the last is competitive pricing. So now friends, we'll discuss each of pricing strategies one by one which were accepted by companies while pricing their product. In this, first strategy is penetration pricing. Penetration pricing is used, the company who use penetration prices sets low price or the less price for their product and services which they are offering in a market or which they are going to offer in a market. In this penetration pricing, the objective of company is not to gain much profit at a starting stage, but the objective of company is to gain maximum market share of their product and services which they are going to offer in a market. So the main objective of penetrating pricing is to gain maximum market share of that product. Because we believe that if they will get much market share in that of that product in a market, then profit will automatically come. Because if you have lots of huge market share of product in a market, then profit will automatically come. If there is less gap also, in cost and a profit. So now we will understand another type of price strategy which is called price skimming. Price skimming is the type of strategy accepted by those companies who are very innovative, or those companies who launch their product and services with new features which are never seen in a market. So in this stage or in this strategy, companies try to gain maximum profit at the introduction stage of their product, because the objective of price skimming or the companies who are accepting pricing strategy is to gain maximum profit at introductory stage of their product and services. Because in this pricing strategy, the objective of company is to gain maximum profit or earn maximum profit at the introductory stage of their product and services. Because here company believes that in later on, if any company or any other competitor come with same product with same features, then they do not have to fight profit. They only have to fight in a market for their survival. Company often use price skimming when they lack financial resources to produce their goods and services in volume. Now we will understand both the strategy accepted by company by taking some of example. First of all, we will take example of penetration pricing. In penetration pricing, we will take example of FMCG companies because these type of strategy were normally taken by FMCG products are normally low price, and their strategy or their goal is to or their objective is to gain maximum market share of their product and services. Now we will understand example of price skimming. In this price skimming, companies will come like Apple, who is the most innovative company. They are those companies who always come with new features which were never seen by the market ever before. Now we'll understand third pricing strategy, which is called discount pricing. Companies may also use temporary discount strategy to increase their sale. Temporary discount, the objective of discount strategy is to increase sale. In this include companies used to give offers like buy one and get two free. Company also give offers like coupons. Company also give offers on purchase of the amount of product. They will give free coupons, and those free coupons were utilized by customer on their next purchase. Which company wants to do that? And these type of pricing strategy, which is called discount pricing, were accepted by a company called Brand Factory, Spencer, Big Bazaar, Pantaloons. These are those companies who use normally discount pricing strategy. So now we will understand competitive pricing strategy. In this type of pricing strategy, company observe competitors' price of the product and then price their product accordingly. In this type of pricing strategy, company also try to include discounting pricing strategy, which is like company observe that if competitor is also offering same type of product with same features, and they are also offering discount. In this case, this company also follow that strategy only and give discount on their product and offer. Now we will understand competitive pricing strategy by taking one of example. So friends, we will take the example of Micromax and the Samsung. Samsung was a market leader in mobile manufacturing. So when Micromax is about to enter in a market, they observe the pricing strategy of Samsung, and they reduce the price of their product and offer in a market to sustain in that market. So this is called competitive pricing strategy, including discounting strategy. So every product have some lifespan, which include introduction, growth, maturity, and then decline. In this small company who offer their product in a market, if their product is unique and low cost, then so when the product is in growth stage, the company offer higher price because of their unique feature. So friend, this is all about the last pricing strategy, which is called PLC pricing strategy, and this is also stands for